In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Monopoly Go, a digital twist on the classic board game we all know and love. So, whether you're a seasoned Monopoly veteran or someone who's just starting out and excited to dive into the virtual world of Monopoly, this guide is here to help you navigate through the steps with ease and clarity. First things first, you'll want to head over to the official Monopoly Go website. This is where all the magic happens. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or search for Monopoly Go. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted by a vibrant game interface designed to capture the essence of the classic board we've come to adore but reimagine for an online setting. Keep in mind that having a stable internet connection can enhance your gaming experience, ensuring you enjoy seamless play without interruptions. Once you familiarize yourself with the home page, the next step involves watching a short introductory video. This video provides a comprehensive walkthrough on how to play the game. You'll find it conveniently located on the website. Giving it a quick watch is highly recommended as it covers tips and tricks you might not want to miss, and it sets a solid foundation to enhance your strategy right from the get-go. It's perfect for visual learners who can benefit from a guided tour of the mechanics and rules specific to Monopoly Go. Now that you've got a good grasp on what to expect, it's time to jump into action. Look for a prominent button, likely labeled Go. Clicking this will usher you directly into the playing arena. This transition is designed to be seamless, so before you know it, you'll be right in the thick of the action. It's quite exciting, especially if you enjoy the thrill of spontaneous gameplay. When you're in the game, the main activity you'll be engaging with is rolling the dice, a key mechanic that drives your moves and decisions. Locate the roll the dice button, prepare yourself for excitement, and give it a click. This will simulate the traditional roll you would perform on an actual Monopoly board. Rolling the dice will determine how many spaces you'll move forward, just like in the classic game. Remember, each roll opens up the possibility of purchasing properties, drawing chance cards, or even paying rent if you land on spaces owned by others. With each turn, strategize carefully to build your empire and aim for victory. In summary, the digital world of Monopoly Go offers the same strategic depth with a modern and interactive twist, making it accessible and entertaining for everyone. Don't forget to keep playing, learn the nuances, and most importantly, have fun as you build your path to Monopoly glory. Happy gaming!